everyone channel, or at least have a session with somebody guiding them to channel, because to shift into a state where you can channel, it's very, very simple. It's very easy. It takes a half a second. The more skilled channelers will be able to get into different states of consciousness where they can channel different energies or entities or stuff. And you want to watch those. So before you go to channel, I would recommend everyone watch different channelers or see a show on it or different videos so they can actually see how someone's doing it. And a good channel, you'll notice that you'll hear their voice change. You'll see their body change a little bit. Maybe they'll actually go unconscious, which is very interesting. And then there are people that are, like, I'm a conscious channel. So you'll watch me close my eyes. You'll watch me ask myself. I still sound exactly the same. Maybe my wording's a little bit different, but it's still me. So you'd have to pay closer attention to see when I'm shifting and when I'm getting different information. You'll also catch me reword things or say thank you randomly, or sometimes I'll look up, sometimes I'll close my eyes. So when you're channeling, it's any time that you want any information that's more than what you have in this moment. So you could channel somebody walking by, you could channel somebody from the other side. If you can think of it, if you can think of them with the right tools, you could channel them. The great thing about channeling is that it comes through you. So some people channel by what they hear, some people will be what they see, will get different impressions of things. And the amazing thing about channeling is you very rarely get the exact same thing twice. Why? Because you're channeling the information. So there's a fluidity to it that you can't really fake, that it just flows right through you. And when you hear people talk about being in the flow or in the zone, they're probably talking about that feeling that they have where you're just connected.